All right, Alyssa, so you said you were how old?
32.
Work over here, so obviously get access to all the best of the best in terms of facial rejuvenation. But as we mentioned, after 25, collagen is a naturally depleting bank account. So let's see if she needs to add some to her collagen piggy bank.
Girl, you got just as much as I do.
She does, however, your
Yeah.
collagen is actually a varying target. So at the 4.5 layer and the 3.0 layer, you would actually get a really efficacious benefit from Ulthera. And that's why, as we can see, literally no two treatments are the same. Whereas Shondell would only be a candidate for the 3.0 and the 1.5 on her neck, Alyssa over here would probably benefit from all three. And we're going to make sure that wherever we treat you is where we see collagen, and that's going to promote the best results.